I've been swimming for a long time, can't seem to find the bottom. The deeper I go, the deeper your love becomes. It's like an ocean with no ocean floor, a rainbow with unending colors. Deeper and deeper, your love is so deep, I cannot fathom. I'll dive in your love. Deeper and deeper in your love. I try so hard to show you how I love you. It's so amazing, your love. Hey, you make me whole. No matter how I try to show you that I love you, it won't be enough. It won't be enough. I found peace in your ocean, oh love. Peace in your ocean. I found joy that I cannot explain. Joy that I cannot. It's like a fountain that wells up inside me and all around me like a fountain. I'm deep in your ocean. I dive in your love. Dive, dive. Deeper and deeper in your love. Dive, dive. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. In your love, I dive. Nowhere else I'd rather. My God, my King, I dive in your love. Deeper and deeper in your love.
What's up, Chad? Good morning. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Drop some energies in the chat. Let's go. What's up, Philip? How you doing? Expo is amazing. Let's go.
Look at me. My God is good, as you can see. Everybody, taste and see the victory my God has given me. Thank you for loving me. For every trial you brought me through. Thank you for saving me. Now I can shout glory to my everlasting King. Jesus, the King of Kings. You make my life so beautiful. See me shining now. Yeah. See me glowing now. Yeah, I shine for the world to see, to see. See me shining now. See me glowing now. Yes, I shine for the world to see, to see. Whatever is born of God overcomes the world. See, I am born of God, I overcome the world. Greater is He that lives inside me. See, I know I can do all things. You give me strength so I can win. Give me the victory. Now I can shout glory to my everlasting King. Jesus, the King of Kings. You make my life so beautiful. See me shining now. Yeah. Yes, I shine for the world to see, to see. I shine, I shine, so bright, so bright. In Him I have the victory. Yeah. I shine, so bright, so bright. In Him I have the victory. Whoa. See me shining now. See me glowing now. Yes, I shine for the world to see. Oh, see me shining now, see me glowing now. Yes, I shine for the world to see, to see. Yeah.
Mix Wonders Magic.
So many things come to my mind. Like how could a man lay down his life just to save mine? Who would have thought that the Messiah would lay down his life on the line just to save mankind? You came and you changed my life. You came and you made me smile. You came and you brightened my whole life, my whole life. You came now I sing and shout. You came and you made me smile. You came and you brightened my whole life, my whole life. You in my life makes me alive. You in my life makes me alive, oh yeah. You give me love I can't deny. Your love is sweet, I cannot lie, oh yeah. You in my life makes me alive. You in my life makes me alive, oh yeah. You give me love I can't deny. Your love is sweet, I cannot lie, oh yeah. No greater love than your love. No greater love than your love, my God. No greater love than your love. No greater love than your love, my God. No greater love than your love, my God. No greater love than your love. No greater love than your love. I don't need nobody else. I got you all day, all day, alright. With you in my life, I know say everything sweet like fire, life. You in my life makes me alive. You in my life makes me alive, oh yeah. You give me love I can't deny. Your love is sweet, I cannot lie, oh yeah. You changed my life. You came and you made me smile. You came and you brightened my whole life, my whole life. You came now I sing and shout. You came and you made me smile. You came and you brightened my whole life, my whole life. You in my life makes me alive. You in my life makes me alive, oh yeah. You give me love I can't deny. Your love is sweet, I cannot lie, oh yeah. You in my life makes me alive. You in my life makes me alive, oh yeah. You give me love I can't deny. Your love is sweet, I cannot lie, oh yeah. No greater love than your love. No greater love than your love, my God. No greater love than your love. No greater love than your love, my God.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah. with judgment coming from all angles. I'll never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. Shit, you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up, he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say, like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push it, still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, H, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain. And any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Nora, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped foodie. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out, blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfuckers.
What's up, gang? What's up? Good morning. How you guys doing? What's up, Michelle? What's up, Ate Che? What's up, Jem? What's up, Jagna? What's up, Limmy? What's up, Eric? How you doing? Good morning, guys. Good morning. How you guys doing? Good morning. Good morning. Shout out to 17 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Let me see who's here. Let me see who's in the chat here right now. Drop some energies in the chat, gang. Let's go. Drop some energies in the chat.
To move mountains. Give me financial freedom. Know that there's no accountant that's more able than you. There's no problems on this earth greater than you. And if it's your will, then let me do everything that I was created to do. Help me change lives, like you changed minds, like you changed moms. How could I forget how you made a millionaire out of 15 cents? With $1 in a dream, wasn't always what it seemed. Sometimes I couldn't see, but I still believed. And then you made it real, you gave me everything I need. And all I had to have was the faith of a mustard seed. So the point of this album is to have faith. No matter what field of work you in, no matter what you're doing in life, have faith in it and believe in it at all times. And especially having God in your life first. Because in a world full of the devil doing God knows what, as long as you keep God first, you'll be all right.
All right. W morning. Top of the morning, chat. Top of the morning. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it, gang. I love the energy today. We might have some trade probably. What's up, Julius? How you doing? What's up? What's up? All right. Let me do the top down here. Top down analysis. All right, let's start with the daily time frame here, chat. So the daily time frame, as you can see, we move up yesterday, right? We move up how many pip? We move up almost 900 pip, 867 pip move on the daily time frame. And as you can see here, right now we have re-break the high and trying to move down. So we tap which zone? Oh, we almost 3,980. So we react on 3,977 today. And if we're gonna drop down to the 4-hour time frame, okay. So the 4-hour time frame here, we have some exhaustion wick here, right? That means the buyer is getting lower, and we have the previous candle that re-break the previous candle low and try to move up. But the problem there is no top wick closure on price. So technically, if the candle closed without any top wick, we don't have range to move up even further, right? You need to grab orders down, like you create a structure to move up. So that's, you know, That's how it close. That's how it do the candles. So the 4 hour no top wick, we're trying to move down. We re-break all the lows on the left, as you can see here. We're trying to move on the resistance, previous resistance level on price, and yeah, we still have 1 hour and 11 minutes for this candle to close. And let's drop down to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, the 1 hour move 333 pip. So we have structure here on price. As you can see, we have resistance here. We have support here. All right. And 11 minutes for this candle to close. We still have range to move down. Okay. We still have this kind of range that we need to be filled. Right. So yeah, probably we have clean traffic going up and going down here. Let's see. 30 minutes time frame, it looks the same with the 1 hour. We have resistance here, we have support down here, and we're driving down towards to the downside, which is the clean traffic 3945 to 3933 area. So yeah, let's see if we're gonna have a volume today. 15 minutes. So the 15, yeah, the 15, I just don't like the 15 because we have minor levels here, minor levels here, but probably close, probably here. Looks nice to move down. We still have 100 pip move, but I'm gonna mark my levels on the 30. Let's see, on the 30. Yeah, 30 looks good, looks clean. So 30 minutes time frame. Yeah, I'm open for buy and sell today, right? Because we have structure now. We have I would say in the lower time frame we have bearish structure that we need to be aware of. So bearish structure will give us, directions probably to move down, right? And but I'm open for buys too because we still on bullish trend, right? Heavy bullish on price here. But we need to wait for the candle to close like um setup, good opportunity, right? So let's see here. Let's see how many pip this. Oh, this is 270 pip range. So yeah, we have levels here too. I'm not gonna mark this. So this one is the level so far. Right, let's see if this price keep reacting on this area. We might have some potential buys here, right? So yeah, let's see here, gang. So we have exhaustion week here, right? And then if the candle will react here, so the 15 will close bullish, right? Should close above. So let's see. Got a little 61 pips down. Wow. W, Eric. W. W. 4 hour has no topic too. This 4 hours really good once you re-break the high there. And this 4 hour is ready to move down on the next 4 hour candle, but didn't happen. There's a high chance that we can push up again here. But let's see. Right, let's see. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Make sure you like the stream and subscribe to the channel. All right, we're closing below in 7 minutes here. Closing below the range. Ooh. Yeah. We are closing or we are rejecting. Boom, 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 boom. I'm on sell since 3955. 3955. Oh, nice. You're in profit. Good job. Yeah, 70, 80 pips in profit. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. W. Let's see if this candle closed below and we need to wait for candle's bottom wick. I like this candle close below. Like probably like this. And then yeah. We might have potential sells going down the next hourly candle. Yeah, clean range going down. So we need to wait. Otherwise, yeah, because we were breaking out, okay, we're breaking out on the range. So we don't need this kind of, closure. This one is a overextend candle. If this candle closed like this, I'm not gonna interested for selling. Because yeah, there's no high probability that the next candle will move down. Because this candle is overextend already. We need at least like this kind of candle or like this. Yeah, like this should be fine. Let's see. 1 hour will give us volume in 3 minutes here. 3 minutes and 39 seconds. Let's see here, gang. But if you got the trades in the morning already, or you got the trades now, man, W. For me, I don't have any trades yet. So I need to wait. Waiting. This candle might close without any bottom wick. Oh, re-break the previous candle low there. Amazing. Volume. A lot of volume today, gang. Volume today. So we see breakout. Okay. Shut down. Yeah, bro. If you got the trades already, man. 15 seconds here, man. Top wick. We need to see top wick. At least top wick. Move up. Oh, damn. We move down. Yeah, we close below the range. Close below. We have levels here on price that we need to be aware of. So once you re-break again the highs here, yeah, I might put a sell stop on the re-break. Once you re-break here, yeah, it should move down. But we need to see the re-break of the high once again, because that's the hourly open too. So the hourly will take time to move down. So I need to see a re-break of the high. Once you re-break this, I start to hover, I'm gonna put the sell stop on the re-break of the low. And once you re-break, yeah, it should move down heavy. I'd say, yeah, let's see. I need to wait for a re-break the high. Re-break the high there, gang. So we can put the stop above this high, right? That's the idea. So once you re-break that, yeah, we can put the stops above there. Because this candle, once you re-break that and you re-break the previous candle low again, has no business to go up, right? So yeah, well, can you top that? Can you re-break the highs there? I want to see the re-break. So once you re-break that, we're gonna put the sell stop on the re-break of the lows. That should be fine. All right, I'm gonna put sell stop on the re-break of the lows here. Once you re-break that, should be fine to move down your chat. Okay, so let's see. Sell stop. Sell stop on the re-break of the lows. Current candle lows. Sell stop, all right? Not execution sell. Sell stop on the re-break of the lows. Sell stop. Dun. 43 pip stops. Yep. The stop should be on the current candle high there. All right, we about to activate here, chat. We about to activate it in a few seconds here. And yeah, I'm activated on sales here, gang. Got some sales here. So my stops, I'm gonna put up here on price. And as you can see, right, that's the plan today. We re-break the high and we're trying to re-break the lows again, and that's gonna be that's the move. Should be fine to move down. Can we move down? So yeah, the stop is the current candle high there, chat. So that's the stopper. What's the biggest SL you remember today? Biggest SL, bro? It's around 100 pips. This 10K SL. So what's that? Yeah, this one last September. So yeah. All right, nice. Closing full right here, chat. 15 pips. I close full at 15 pips. W's in the chat. Yeah, on the dot here, 15 pips. W's in the chat if you got that trade. Volume is voluming today, gang. W. W's in the chat. W. Congratulations, everybody. That's a quick one, huh? Quick trade. Quick trade. Yeah. So, yeah, people may ask, why are you taking trade? Why you're taking sell on the low? Why are you taking 10 peeps, 15 peeps? Yeah, W, everybody. W, congratulations. That's, yeah. We expect that to move down heavy today. W, how much percentage this got? 0.8%, 0.9%. Yeah, W. That's the 30 minutes re-break of the current candle. It's breakout. And we took the sell. Gold, London. It's still early, chat. It's still early here today. 10, 7, 20, 25. Yeah. Yeah, congratulations, everybody. That's a quick one. I believe we pick how many pip here? We pick 30 pips, almost 35 pips. We pick almost 35 pips. How much you got here, chat? Let me know how much you got. How many pips you got in the trade? Yeah, we pick, I believe, 32. I picked 32 pips on the 22 pips. Wow, W. 26. Wow. Congratulations, gang. Congratulations. If you got that trade. For me, I got 15 pips, and that's good for me. 30 pips. Wow, John, 30 pips. Wow, look at that. Wow, too many winners again here, gang. W, guys, congratulations. Make sure you drop some likes, okay? Drop some likes. Don't default. Drop some likes first. Sales plus 15 pips. Yeah, 88 wins on the stream with 9 loss, 8 breaks even. So yeah, man. Right? So I believe right now, if you might ask why I didn't hold the trail little bit longer, because I'm waiting. I need to wait. Okay, so if I wanna hold like really sells, I need like this kind of, for example, we move down, right? We see the highs there, we got some lows, the highs and the lows. Right now, we need to create a high, enable for these price actions to move down even further, right? So right now, we got some advantage. The advantage here is we move down, okay? The candles move down, and we start to hover around here on price. And I know it's gonna be some reactions here because the 15 minutes time frame here is, we have minor levels that we need to be aware of on price here. The minor levels that we need to be aware of, right? Yes, we have a clean traffic going down, but we cannot predict that it's gonna fill, right? Everything, every this kind of range gonna be filled, right? Sometimes not. All right, sometimes, yeah, we're gonna fill in one candle, gonna fill that range. But the advantage there is, we wait for the re-break of the high one more time. Once this candle re-break the high, we put the sell stop on the re-break of the low, because this candle, once you re-break the low and be activate on the trade, this kind of price actions, this kind of candle has no business to move back up again. You need to break the lows there, right? You need to break the lows and understanding the volume, right? So yeah, that's the trade. W, everybody, W. If you got the same trade with me, W, everyone. W. W, W. Yeah, W. W, W, W. Make sure you drop some likes here, gang. Drop some likes, subs to the channel. If you want to follow me on Instagram, you can follow me for more trading content. Link is in the description below. If you have any questions, all right, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Can I see 20 likes here? Drop some likes, gang. I want to see 20 likes. Can I see 20 likes in the stream here, chat? 20 likes. You should like the stream if you got the trade. It's free trade, free values, free knowledge, free wisdom. Everything is free, man. I just wanna, you guys like the stream, like the stream. We're still holding the trade here. We're still holding the trade. You guys are good holding the trades, huh? Some of you guys got 20 pips, 26 pips. Man. W. And chat, can you spam some W's in the chat once again? I'm gonna make some stories today. Spam some W's in the chat. Drop your pips. Drop the pips. Pips and dips. Drop the pips. How much you pips you got? All right, thank you, gang. So if you have any questions, okay, any questions in your mind, you can drop in the chat. BTC, oh, 123K. Oh, we reach 126. Wow. Today, oh wow, today, yeah, we tap 126. Man, this is just creating a bottom wick to move up. Crazy, crazy. Guys, if you guys trading BTC, be careful here, okay? Be careful. Be careful. Last 100, okay. All-time high, US 30, Euro USD. Moving down. Chat, what you gonna do now, chat? What you gonna do now? Oh, damn. No closure back in the range. Right, you don't have closure back in the range. Mm-hmm. Snipe exits, yeah, W, bro. Yeah, like what I've said, we cannot hold a little bit longer because we need to expect a retracement first, right? So yeah, we create a high here, high and the low and the high and the low. So right now we're moving down. We see some breakout. Now we need to wait for structure. If you wanna hold a little bit longer, you need to wait for high here, like this kind of resistance form. Let's say so, like this kind of structure, you're gonna wait, right? And then candles closing bearish, so you have range that you need to be wait to fill. This one's gonna be fill, right? And you got, if you're gonna take the sales up there, yeah, you can hold a little bit longer to move down. So that's that's the idea all the time, right? Because I see the breakout. That's the reason why I took this. We took this way because it's break below the range, and we're gonna have an advantage of filling the range on the left hand side because it's clean range. But didn't fill, right? Like what I've said, it's not gonna be filled all the time. So you need to wait for price actions to move down, like higher highs and higher lows to move down. Maybe this is gonna be, so now we're gonna create a new lows. Highs and the lows, highs and the lows, highs and the lows. So yeah, that's price action is gonna tells you all the time. Right? So yeah, man. Cha, if you're gonna, if you guys gonna trade, yeah, you can, trade whatever you want. But for me, yeah, I'm not trading. I'm not over trading. I only trade 1 to 2 trades a day. So, yeah. I'm happy with the profit that I made on 15 pips. Any questions, chat? Any questions? Let me know. Drop it in the chat. I want to see in the chat if you guys are having questions in your mind right now. So later tonight, we don't have any news on USD. Tomorrow, oh, FOMC tomorrow. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna hold an FOMC because it's still shut down, right? The government is still shutting down, but let's see. Because we don't have Powell, you see, as you can see, there's no Powell speak or whatever, just FOMC minutes. Thursday, oh, unemployment claims still tentative, as you can see. No news, right? No news. No news. Yeah. Oh, NFP on Friday. Oh, tentative again. Holy smokes. Yeah, it's NFP. Yeah, it's tentative. I don't know. Oh, on Monday, October next week, yeah, we have bank holiday, JPY CAD. I might not gonna stream on Monday because of this kind of holiday. Tuesday. Let's see Trump tweets today. No. No. No, 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 no. No. Chat, what you gonna do now, chat? What you gonna do now? You're gonna overtrade? You're gonna take one more trade? Or you're gonna call it a day? Or you're gonna come back on NY? Chat, if you guys gonna go through a profitable stage, you don't need to overtrade every single day, man. You don't need to overtrade, okay? Just 1 to 2 trades a day. Okay, 1 to 2 trades a day, bro. Just 1 to 2 trades a day, believe me. In within 3 to 6 months, give yourself a time, right? Be consistent every single day, following your rules, following your plan, man. Yeah. One more trade. No, I'm not gonna do one more trade. Right? I'm done for we got the trades. I took the trades already. I got 15 pips. So yeah, that's enough. Yeah, I went through the process of over trading. It's not really working. It's not helping me to set my mind clear. Yeah, early trade, just chill in the chat. Yeah. Let's see if you guys are having questions so I can, answer that questions. Psychology, whatever, man. Just type in the chat. I'm gonna answer that questions. If you guys are, for example, you guys are trading with your live account. So let's say you guys are having 1k USD on your live account, right? Don't try to don't try to make money on that 1k, right? Because I'm gonna show you something. So I have my small account right here, right? I'm gonna show you. So right now, this is small account, and as you can see on that, I made 28 US dollar today, right? Where's that? Yeah. So on that trade, I made 28 US dollar. So I'm gonna call it a day, right? So 28 is, it's big on that 1k account. You don't need to force any trade, right? You don't need to force any, unnecessary things, right? And in a week, how much I'm profit? I guess I just deposited on last week. So I'm up $48. Yeah. On the week. And yeah. FTMO account is up 800 today. Yeah, that was nice. So yeah, don't overtrade, gang. Don't overtrade. That's really the problem of as a trader. They overtrade, they're over risk, they're not putting their stop loss, and yeah. Because you're gonna ask yourself why you're not making profit into the market, why you're stuck on the break-even state, why you're stuck on losing, because you're not contented with the profit that you made per day, right? And if you guys are like, for example, you don't have any trade, you're still forcing the trade even though the setup is not there, right? For me, it's all about practice. Practice that every single day. Practice how you're gonna be disciplined, how you're gonna be patient, sitting with your hands in front of the computer. So if you wanna, if you don't wanna force a trade every single day, just close the PC, close your computer, like close the mobile, do something else. Right? Hit the gym, go for a walk, go for a run, whatever. Yeah. Right now I'm still, developing myself, right? I've been more disciplined and being more patient when I start streaming, like way back January this year. Right now, almost 10 months or 9 months already, right? Showing up every single day. So I build the patience there, I build the discipline there every single day. I'm showing up, the patience is there, the discipline is there. Yeah, it's all about practice it every single day. And I'm still developing myself. I'm still developing the psychology that I built. Because psychology isn't built in the chart, it's built outside of the chart. Yeah, that's my mentor told me. You need to build yourself outside. You need to build the psychology outside of the charts, not inside of the chart. Build a good habit. Practice it every single. It's all about practice. He said all about practice. So I follow that every single day. Practice, practice, practice. Train your mind, train yourself. So yeah, if you guys are still not you guys still not feel that feel that way, feel the pain, man. You need to feel that pain. You need to go through the hell. You need to embrace the pain. Enable for you to pass that, to go through that pace. You need to blow a lot of accounts, and you need to blow a lot of funded account. You need to blow money, right? So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna share with you this kind of loses blow a 200k account, a live account. So yeah, it's part of a game. You know, this October, up 134 pips. Damn. Right, chat, man. Any questions? Any questions, gang? Oh, back in the range. 30 GAO back in the range, man. There's a high chance that we can retrace 3965, but I don't want to enter a trade. We re-break the lows. This is nice to take buys up. Chad, you don't have any questions in your mind? No Benoskis? Oh, damn. Chat, don't be shy to ask questions, okay? Don't be shy to ask questions. If you have any questions, yeah, don't be shy to ask questions. Just drop it in the chat if you have questions. Yeah, we got the trades already sing around 12 p.m. bro. We got some sales already. I think we can buy now. Uh yeah, this 30 minutes candle close back in the range, but you have levels here on price that you need to be aware of. So there's a resistance area right here. So if we're gonna use this as support or resistance, there's a high chance that this candle can react here. So you need to wait for this candle to close above and continue buy up. Right now, no, I'm not gonna be interested on, So this is gonna be the levels, right? That you need to be aware of. Oh, yep. So clean traffic going up here, but you need to wait for a candle to close above. No problem. You're late today, man. Too many winners today. Too many winners today. Oh, no bottom wick. The 30 has no bottom wick. Boom, boom, boom. Can we buy gold now? Oh, wait for the candle to close above the range. Wait for this candle to close above. Yeah, because you have levels here on the 15. So this candle might react and move down, because right now in the lower time frame you have, I'd say, you have a very structure. On 50 minutes time frame, as you can see, you have a high, low, high, low, high, low. So this kind of, if this candle react, it's gonna be create a new high to push down to the new low. So right now it's really risky to buy. Okay, wait for candle to close above and then take buy after that closure. Mm, mhm, mhm. Toot, toot, toot. Mm, mhm, mhm. Boop, 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 boop. I'm taking gold before 3952. I can hold or exit, please. Oh, bro. I don't know, man. If you wanna hold that, you can hold. But for me, I don't know, man. I don't know. You should plan. If you guys gonna trade, you should plan the trades before taking the trade. Because if you don't have plan, man, how come? Right? How come you're making profit out of it? You should plan the trade, every single trade. Alright, we probably gonna have closure above. If you guys wanna take buys, man, you can take buys, okay? But it's all you, not me. Because I got the trades already. I got the buys. I got the sells. I got the sells. And yeah, I'm happy with that. Problem here is the 30 has no bottom wick, right? For me, if I want to take buys, right? If I want to take buys on the 30, yeah, should have a bottom wick, because yeah, this gonna be there's a high chance if this candle close bullish like this, the next candle high chance to move down. So this candle is gonna be the fake out candle, because the 30 minutes has no bottom wick open. So you need to be aware of on those kind of candles should have bottom wick. So the 15s kind of look like that to move up. Right? Because 80% of all the candles has a top wick and bottom wick. So yeah. Learn and understand candles. Mm. Shout out to 30 viewers, 31 viewers right now. Welcome to the YouTube live stream chat. Make sure you drop some likes, subs to the channel, and if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, link is in description below for more trading content, or I can drop here. I can drop in the chat so you guys can see some trading content in the Instagram. Oh, we close above. Now, wow. We close above. Still no bottom wick. Damn. Yeah, good luck here, chat. If you're gonna take buys here, good luck. But there is a high chance that we can push up here. All right, high chance that we can push up. Probably like this closure on the 1, 2, 3 break. Damn. Oh, damn. Clean traffic going up. We have a clean. We got some buys here, gang. We took some buys here. If you got the buys, if you get some buys, be careful, okay? That was really risky take buys here. No bottom wick on the 30. You're on buy. So sample. Okay, nice. Nice. Let's see how this, 1 hour close, 30 minutes close, and 4 hour close. I want to see that closure. Please mark entry point. I don't know where's the entry point. because I'm not in the trade. You can ask Sing where he, where he got the buys, but for me, I don't know where's the entry point. Hmm? Current candle open. Oh yeah, it's risky. Damn. See, can you look at that? Right, we might see fake out here. Fake out on the 15. So yeah, it's risky. Fake out. Fake out. That was fake out. But let's see. You know, that's the bottom week already, or no, not yet. You need, oh, it's re-breaking the lows. You re-break the lows here, you react. So yeah, this might be the bottom wick on the 30. Once you push up, re-break the highs there, yeah, we might see some move on the 30 minutes. So you re-break the 15, right? So this is gonna good confirmation. But you need to wait. And actually it's gonna good impulse entry here once you close like this. Impulse entry on the this candle. Re-break the high there. That should be fine. And you're gonna move up like this. Yeah. First closure, yeah. 4 hours about to close bearish. Yeah, we might see some top wick here. We might see filling the range here on price before move down, or probably here. Either, 4 hours, 4 hour. You're on buys. So after you got the sells, you're on buys now. Man, you're making bugs again here. W. Making bags while cooking. Yeah. W. W gang. Come pick up your clothes. I have them folded. Meet me at the door. Pull up. Pull up, pull up. All right. 15 is about to close. 30 is about to close. Wow. Back in the range. Damn. This is really nice. Impulse sales here. 46 pip advantage. What you gonna do now, gang? Man. Yeah. Back in the range. Really nice. Re-break the highs there. Yeah. Sell is good once you re-break the lows. 4-hour open. All right, top wick. All right, chat. Yeah, for our closure, what will happen here? 1 hour closure, no bottom wick. 30 minutes respecting, there's no closure above. 15 minutes respecting, back in the range, as you can see. Right, so right now, gang, thank you guys for tuning in to the live stream. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, right? So if you guys gonna trade later on tonight, make sure you have stop loss, and then don't over trade, don't over risk, gang. All right, love and wisdom to you all, chat, and peace. I'm out here. See you tomorrow, gang.
Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist when I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I want to lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And hey, I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Kids gon' listen to, huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince do. If not for the pleasure, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible, now they know they invincible. Hey.